on the Eastern Shore closed out the year 7% higher year over year with a median sales price of $380,000. It's Friday, January 17th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. It seems buyers are starting to settle into the reality of higher interest rates. The dream of 3% rates is fading fast, and instead, we're seeing a shift to a more typical rate environment. With home prices continuing to rise, many are now rethinking their timing and jumping into the market. On the Eastern Shore, here's some news to consider. With high-speed fiber optic internet expanding into the region, we could see a new wave of buyers heading this way over the bridge. And with more people moving in, we can expect home prices to climb, demand for services to grow, and even more construction to follow. It's going to be interesting to watch how all this unfolds, so stay tuned. Right now, active inventory for sale fell again to 1,563. Homes coming soon are up again this week to 93 properties. New contracts are up to 100 properties since last week and going under contract in 35 days. 78 homes settled at 96.1% list to sold ratio, with days on the market at 36, which continues to rise from last year. Homes for lease settled at 136 at $1,998 median per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, January 17th. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.